The 134th China Import and Export Fair, known as Canton Fair, is set to open grandly on October 15th in Guangzhou. Leaders, as a leading custom manufacturer of electrical conduit, will be exhibiting at the fair from October 23rd to 27th at booth 11.2C17 in Hall 11.2 with our UL, CSA, as NZS, low smoke halogen-free, and solar standard series conduits. Products are certified to UL 651, UL 1653, CSA, as NZS 2053, CE and IEC etc. With excellent quality and safety performance, Leaders Conduit is honored to be part of the world's largest photovoltaic project ASB 2.6 GW project in Saudi Arabia, the PV2 photovoltaic project in Abu Dhabi, Melbourne Metro Tunnel project and CHPE power project in US, etc. Leaders is pleased to talk with industry people from all over the world. We are waiting for you at booth 11.2C17.